Are you looking at them?
No, I'm looking at you.
Who?
You.
Now that's a
You
lie.
can't see round the
That is
Oh,
a lie.
there she is.
She is.
You're looking
That's
at
the
them.
boss.
Oh, stop.
I know. She who must be obeyed.
That is just a big lie.
So this is our last day, 1770. We head off tomorrow. We're heading to
Calliope,
River.
Calliope River.
which is a free camp on the river. Should be nice.
And Lewis and Lorella are heading back to Bundy somewhere.
tomorrow though. We go Sunday, doesn't
No.
it? Oh, okay.
Oh, we can stay longer if you like.
They're not sure whether they're going tomorrow or whether they're going
Lorella
Sunday.
is going tomorrow. Lewis is going Sunday.
No, I thought I was going tomorrow.
My
none of-
record keeping is a day out.
And none of us have to hurry anywhere now because we've all voted.
Yeah.
So that's
a
done.
relief.
Let's not talk about that.
Oh, the
It's
airwaves
dangerous
are really
territory.
full of it. So.
And also,
What was that good show on TV? The Vicar of Dibley. No.
yes. But also, the
Yes.
sign said if you were from out of area, you couldn't vote there on Saturday.
That's
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes or
So
no?
we had to
All
vote.
Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had to vote earlier.
Before.
Ah, tell you what, there's March flies here, folks.
They're
Do you
different
like some
to
of
the
my
ones at
special
home.
ingredients?
I have
spray?
just, it didn't
We've-
land thankfully. I have sprayed my
We've sprayed our
Bushmans.
legs with that stuff that rots plastic.
Bushmans.
Yeah, Bushman dissolves plastic. Yeah.
We've got
thongs.
March flies that'll carry you away, and we've got
Lucky I haven't had that
midges.
type of surgery. So
There's,
I'm all right.
there's big March flies and there's
medium.
medium, smaller,
Yeah.
Yeah,
which are just as bad.
yeah,
They hurt the same.
and a
Yeah.
gazillion midges.
They're a bit slower than flies. I think it is.
So 1770, we don't think we'll be back again? Seen it? Been there?
Been here twice.
Been here.
Unlikely to come back. But
I mean, I
possible.
would.
Won't,
It's nice.
Actually, won't
Rule it
write
out.
it off.
Yeah,
We won't definitely not come back, but
I would come back and maybe stay at, if I could, the Agnes Water Caravan Park. And I think if we came back, we possibly, by that stage, may not have pics. So
Yeah.
it might make things a bit easier to
Yeah.
go to places that we haven't seen.
yeah.
Like the lark for a day sounded wonderful.
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
did, yes. Yeah.
Up to the lighthouse.
That was really, that was fun.
A
That
museum, and our neighbours just raved about it.
Yeah.
And even just like, we just like lying on the beach too.
Yeah.
Just going down there and lying on the beach.
I mean, down at 1770, the beach is just lovely there, and you can
Oh, yeah.
and just plop out in the water, and there's no waves. It's just
very
really
safe for the-
calm.
yeah.
We haven't had the sunniest of days while we've been here.
Well, the first couple were okay.
Yeah.
It's just the last couple of days.
Very overcast.
The
Yeah.
rain
So-
last night was very welcome, settled the dust.
Oh, for
Thank
sure,
goodness.
for sure.
But no, it's a nice enough place. I mean, if you look on a map at Agnes Water, it's totally protected from the southerly breezes.
Yeah.
Absolutely magnificent.
Yeah.
Good nor'easterlies coming in, beautiful.
Yeah.
And you've got a beautiful estuary.
Yeah.
Well, you can't. Well, out this way, there's no more places to build because it's all park.
Yes.
And just as well.
Air time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and the larks are only allowed to drive on the beach between the tides. They're not allowed to go
So the
above.
tracks are washed away all the time.
They're not allowed to go above high tide.
Which is good.
They
Fair
don't
enough.
comply. They seem very
Yeah.
conscious of their obligations.
Well, I was very impressed when she said, "Oh, little terns are here. We better avoid them," and we're straight out to sea, around them, and then back on the beach.
Well, the day trip fellow, Dale was saying one of them was a bird expert, and he said, "I'm not interested in birds, so I didn't absorb what they said." But he said there were eagles and all sorts of other
there
things
was
that he didn't
eagles
take
there.
in. So that, I would have found that
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah, there was a sea.
There was a bird nesting.
There was a sea eagle up on a big pole
Yeah.
But I could-
tree.
I wouldn't mind doing that tour. But
Yeah. I know. No, I like it here. I liked it here.
the Caravan Park needs a bit of work, but it's very peaceful.
Yeah, it's a bit tired.
Oh,
On underneath.
Anyway, we'll see what the next couple of days bring. I'm going to take the drone out and try and get some shots
Behind the chair.
out in the bay,
Behind the...
and we'll try and get another sunset tonight.
Yes, that is really
The
nice
sunset's
actually.
Yeah, good luck.
Sunset over,
But,
over Bustard Bay.
Let's hope the clouds are a bit more favourable tonight.
But no, I'd love to come back and explore it by boat. I think
Yeah,
that'd be magnificent.
another place and time. Another time and place, whatever.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Alright.
Bathing area only.
Pretty good day today.
Oh, you look at that, yay.
Just glorious, isn't it?
It's beautiful down here. Water's as warm as. So many people in the water. Isn't that a really nice park?
Yeah.
Is this the one we couldn't get into?
Yep.
Oh. What a shame.
It's booked out months in advance.
I only wonder because it's booked right on the water.
Yeah, it's right here, and you
Right there.
look.
So
I'll just
nice.
walk out. Look at this. I'll just spin around and look at the kids. So beautiful for little kids to splash around in. Glorious, absolutely glorious. Well, this is just a shot of the Caravan Park, how close it is to the water. No wonder. I bet these people come here every year.
We'll come back here after about an hour ago. Look at that. What do you reckon have fire here?
It's firewood.
Oh. I didn't know that. What is that?
Oh, I know what. This you can't have dogs here.
Oh,
That's what it is. Yeah.
very nice park. Wouldn't mind coming back here. You'd have to book like in advance, wouldn't you?
Well, depending how long they take the bookings for.
Tell me. Oh, that's so funny.
Couldn't get me swollen.
Very nice. The road's better. The road.
Why would they bother closing the gate?
Yeah.
Beach walk. This is it. This is the pick. Pick of the bunch. It's a lot better than the one down at Agnes Water.
Oh, heaps better.
Yeah,
Oh, what's the start now, is it?
terrific.
I didn't know before.
How far you have to book in advance?
Here's the office. Reception, there it is. It's just 1770 Caravan Park.
Oh yeah, 1770 Caravan Park.
Yeah, so we just had a chat to the
gentleman who's actually managing the park at the moment, and he's actually going to retire at the end of the financial year.
next year.
And he said that they take bookings 12 months in advance, and it's $51 off the beach, and if you park close to the beach it's $56 per night.
Per night for two people.
For two people. So,
And if you're interested in managing a caravan park,
yeah,
then it's going to go up to tender next year.
yeah.
So and so the ground is owned by the government, so he tenders off the government
Yeah, yeah.
to run a caravan park, and so you have to pay the government. You tender what you're going to pay the government, and then you have to work out your budget to whether you can afford what you can afford to do.
Yeah, he didn't look like he was doing it too hard.
No,
Anyway.
he's sitting
He's
down
sitting
having
down
an ice cream.
having an ice cream.
Yeah. So that's the 1770 Caravan
But,
Park. Yeah.
the park actually looks full.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
It's still full, and we're in
Yeah.
early September. Oh, October. We're in early October.
Yeah, and it's full.
It's
But
full.
it's
Still
beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
spot
in
on
there.
place. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's just like, just a couple of steps out and you're in the water.
And this is
It's
basically
beautiful.
the furthest you can go north
Yeah,
up the Queensland coast and not be afraid of crocodiles.
yeah. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Man.
Yeah, I can really understand why people want to come here.
Yeah.
It's such a perfect spot for kids.
Oh yeah, heaps of kids were out there having a ball, and
Yeah.
very good. Very good.
All right. Well, hopefully get a sunset tonight.
Yeah, hopefully.
There's
Oh, maybe.
no cloud on the horizon today, and
So-
there's no cloud in the sky, so it's looking good.
It is looking good. Yay.
Right.
Just to let you know that there are so many people here just waiting for the most beautiful sunset, because there's not a cloud in the sky. There's just so many people up here. So we've come up to the lookout, which will be the best spot. Everybody's waiting. See all the cars. Everybody. You can just see the sunset through the trees.